There's another new view functionality when we do some comparing. For example, if I want to compare those two measurement files here with my compare feature, I can select my Indigo file here and the other Indigo file with the correction of the G7 correction here. And what we are showing here with our mark from, mark to areas, the delta E's, if I make this slider very low, we are showing all the delta E's from 0.5 up onwards. And if we make the slider go to higher values, we would show only the delta E 2000s from 2 upwards. What's new is that we have added the filters here as well. So for example, if we want to see how the average and the maximum deviation in delta E 2000 between those two charts are, I can see it here. Yeah, so this is the maximum over all the patches. And if I click on the primaries, it will tell me what the average and the maximum for only the primaries is. And I can go on and put and say, okay, just the full primaries. So there's no change here. And the secondaries. So it allows me to really visualize and compare which kind of colors I select, and gives us the maximum average for those patches as well. For those who do not know that feature, maximum average, we've made this more accessible now in that newer version. Whenever you move with the mouse over one of those patches, you'll see the delta E of that patch and the DCS values as well. One of the hidden tricks that we have in the software, this is nothing new, but you can simply click on the Alt key, and this makes sure that one patch is selected, and you can even move then with the mouse without changing all the values. So you can see that's my patch here, and that's the other side here. That's from this test chart, and the delta E are shown here, the delta E 2000, 2.3 around. And if you move without clicking that patch, that key, it will show us the colors of the selected patch where you are moving with the mouse. And if you're going outside the patches, then it will show us the maximum average over all the patches. So outside the area allows us to show this. So that's a new change here, having those filters as well in the comparison functionality, quite helpful.